Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to favorite books on your ONYX Boox Go 3. So if you want to access your favorite books easier, what you can do is just favorite them. They will pop up in the favorites tab right here in the library. It's marked with a star. As you can see right now, I don't have any favorites because I haven't favorited any books. And let's go to our library. So you can go to your library where all of the books will appear. It's marked with a shelf icon, like a bookshelf. And here are all of the books that I have, and I'm just going to select a book that I want to favorite. And I'm going to do this one. And to favorite, you just simply press the star icon on the top right of the book cover. So just tap that, and there, as you can see, it turned black. And now if we go to our favorites tab, there it is. Now it's in my favorites tab, and if you have like a lot of books and you're having trouble finding your books sometimes, or it takes too long, what you can do is just easily favorite them and go to the favorites tab. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.